We are here, we are here, we are here on this amazing day. Okay, everyone, this is Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis, and we are marking up USD, JPY. We are on the monthly time frame, price action. Last candle to the right hand side look like a bullish green doji working its way from an area of resistance. So we do have price action, overall higher highs, price action, overall lower lows, midpoint in the middle, and we are adding second level highs. Let's zoom in the price to see what's going on in that market. Okay, so price action is a bullish green candle. So we do have price action pushing up from an area of support, and it also broke. So we're going to see if the market's going to follow up with the break and retest. You guys can find out on break and retest strategy. So looking at the overall pattern that happened below price for that market to push up additional will be market push down for that first leg, overall second leg, third leg, and we did receive the break of that fourth leg of the second level high. So we're going to see if that market is going to retest that area to push up further. If not, market can consolidate sideways, or that market can come down. And if it does come down from that area, market's coming down from a pattern, so it'll be first leg, second leg, third leg, and market push down for that fourth leg, creating that double top, may come back to retest and then push down further. So it may identify as a triple top of that area if it does come down, or a double top and a retest. So going back to price action on the monthly time frame is a bullish green doji, so it's indecisive coming from a area of resistance, and third to last candle was a push up with a bullish green candle. So let's read the market to see what happened. So there's multiple things that happen in this area. So first off, second last candle, third to last candle is side by side, so that's that market having a hard time breaking. So we can see that the third to last candle has spiked up once, second last candle spiked up for the second time, and then price action came back for a retest of that area of that midpoint. Okay, so let's break down the charts a little more in that area. So we do have price action high of that area. Okay, we also price action low of that area, and we can see that midpoint where price is near. Okay, so also in this area above price action with the two pushes to the top, that's identifying a double top and followed up with the price actions being a retest. Walking down to the weekly time frame, price action on the weekly time frame is a bearish red candle. Second last candle is a bullish green candle. So let's read the market, see what's happening. So the market did push up for that first leg, came back down for that second leg. Second last candle came back to retest, and price action just pushed down a little bit. So we do have that first, second, third, and that fourth leg so far could be forming a double top. If we receive that break of the market, then we're looking for a retest for that market to work its way down further. Or we can receive price action candle can keep on forming and working its way for that consolidation sideways market. Or if that market is going to work its way to the upside, market will be identifying that first leg, second leg, third leg is the retest. If we receive a bullish green candle against price action, the second last candle, and maybe some of the third, depending on how the pattern looks from Forex pattern cheat sheet, price will identify as a double bottom, and we're looking for the break of that area retest to see if that market's going to work its way up further. On the daily time frame, now we can start to see that double bottom form, so let's draw it out. So if that market is going to respect this area here and work its way up for that incline, we are looking for that first leg, second leg, third leg, So we're looking for engulfment pattern to price action to the second last candle. So it's still forming, it's still active. Price action so far look like it can be retesting, closing out against the second last candle that can push that market up further. So as the time go on, the days go on, we can see how that candle looks. But you want to be careful because we do have price action high, price action low, that area. So there's a midpoint in this area here. So we can see that if this area is respected for that resistance, then that market can be identifying the break, the retest, and work its way down. And overall, that's a pattern for the head and shoulders pattern or triple top. It'll be first, second, third, fourth, retest. Market pushes down from a left shoulder, head, right shoulder. And all that market can consolidate within this area until we receive the breakout. On the 4-hour time frame, price action, bearish red candle, a little bit of support. Second last candle is a bearish red doji. Third to last candle is very dominant, so it's retesting that top. So what happened is market spiked up to that high, came back to retest that little midpoint of that area, still waiting for the pattern to form. So the pattern that you're looking for to see if that market's going to push up is to see if that market's going to engulf. Looking for a candle to engulf the third to last candle to the upside, which will come back to resistance. So if so, we're looking for that break and retest for that market to work its way up. And if that does happen, price is coming from that first, second, third, fourth, retest one, retest and push up for the second time, and retest and push up for the third time, and additional until the pattern's formed to see if it's going to push up further. Or that market can consolidate within the third to last candle, or we can receive that market follow up with that first leg, second leg, third leg, looking for the break of that area. Double top, retest, came back to retest and push down further. So identify the same as we seen earlier as that head and shoulders pattern or triple top. On the 3-hour time frame, still reading the same thing as well. On the 2-hour time frame, still reading the same as well. Price action is a doji on the 3-hour time frame and currently on a 2-hour time frame. Stopped at that midpoint, that area, so we have price action high, low, and we can see price action as a doji, indecisive, still waiting for to see if it's going to do. It's going to respect and push up, or it's going to break, retest the bottom, and push down as we've been reading on the previous time frames. Same as well on the 1-hour time frame, price second, third, dojis in the market, so we can see that pattern that can be forming for that first, second, third, fourth. This is the retest. The market can push down from a double top and retest overall. And if it's respected, we'll look for that first, second, third, and we're looking for a bullish engulfing pattern in green to push that market up for that W, back up the previous areas of resistance. Same as the 45-minute price action is a doji, bearish red doji, so market still working its way sideways on the SR line. Same as one on the 30, but price action on the 30 is a push down to a low with a spike down with the bearish red candle. Looks like a doji, so market could be respecting, so it's trying to form a pattern in that area. As we walk down, we may be able to see it. On the 15-minute time frame, same as well, so something's forming over this area, so let's take a look. Multiple pushes down to the bottom, first, second, third, fourth, retest one, retest two. So price action is 1, 2, 3. Price action coming for, this is a quadruple bottom. Market broke, came back to retest from the quadruple bottom. If it's respected, it'll be a quadruple bottom and a retest market push up from altogether 5 pushes to that bottom of that area. And if not, we look for that break, retest for that market to work its way down further. On a 5-minute time frame, same as well. Get to see that candle much clearer with a long wick down to the bottom. Could be respected. Still waiting for the engulfment of the price action candle. And we still see price action as now we're seeing price action as a bullish green candle, but we want to see price action engulf the second last candle to push that market up, or additional candle to engulf the second last candle, and maybe some of the fourth to last candle wick to push that market up further. If not, market's coming down. Same as well on the 1-minute time frame. Please study, review, forex pattern cheat sheet, breakout retest strategy. Okay guys, Cam Jones, FX Daily Analysis. Thank you for watching and thank you for your attention. USD JPY.